Welcome to the Missy and Max Show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and put those comments down below to help tickle the algorithm. And once again, thank you for all your support.
Missy, the Australian cattle dog. I run and jump, I'm always on the move. The snow falls, created with a wonderland. I love to play, dancing in the cold, moving to the sound. I'll live and feel the beat, can't stop me now. My paws in the snow, jumping up and down. Lost in a drought, like a dream on ice. Snowflakes glisten as I dance through the night. Full of rhythm and sorrow. I'm playing in the snow, but it's so fun. Jumping and dancing, it's always fun. I'm lost in the fire. Can't stop me from the Missy, the Australian cattle dog. I run and jump, I'm always on the move. The snow